Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Lookup in Airtable, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is to link two tables together so that you can actually add lookup fields. To do this, we're going to go ahead and add a new field, click link to another record, and let's say grid view, and click create field. Now here you can check off fields which you want to add, and this will add lookup fields, but you can also skip it for right now. Now, if we go ahead and go here, as you can see, I have the grid view and I have this element from this table over here. And what you can also do is go ahead and go scroll down until you get to lookup. And here you'll need to select a lookup source as well as a field that you want to add. I'll add the name again, and then you click create field. And as you can see, it looks up the name of that record. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.